आज है दिन जनजाति गौरव दिवस के रूप में हम पूरा भारत में मना रहा है। भगवान बिरसा मुंडा जी एक ग्रेट फ्रीडम फाइटर। Unfortunately, our historian, Congress historian, neglected him. But Modi ji made accurately today Birsa Munda, Bhagwan Birsa Munda is the one of the biggest hero. You know, he is died very young. अपनी इतनी छोटी से उम्र में उन्होंने जनजाति हित में बहुत से काम किया। He is the great leader of Adivasis. He was the great freedom fighter of the Indian history. But Nehruvian historian taught us Akbar is great, Alexander is great. They neglected Chhatrapati Shivaji ji, Veer Savarkar, Bhagwan Birsa Munda. This is the fact. But Modi make good thing for Adivasi. I am proudly say under leadership of Narendra Modi ji, this era, the golden era of Adivasi's development.
Thank you, sir.